Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to tag people in comments and how to write comments in Google Documents. So first, you're going to want to sign in to your Google account, open up a new document or an already existing document. Then, it is better if you do an already existing document, but you can make a whole new document, type whatever you want in there. It has to be something about the type portion of the document. So let's say, Brandon, get your work done. Okay. So you're going to highlight the text that you want to comment on, and then you're going to press this little 3-bar comment thing, and you're going to press on it, and these two should pop up. There's notifications and there's comments. So first, and then you're going to want to do comments, or you can make it easier on yourself. You don't have to press this. You can just press on add a comment right next to the document, and you can do you can comment on it, or you can also tag somebody in it. So how you're going to tag somebody, you can do a little plus. So Google Plus is the basically Facebook of Google. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to do plus whatever name you want. You can put Brandon Diego assigned to you, and then I'm going to put yes. Then you're going to do assign. So now it is assigned to myself, and now I'm going to, what I just did there is I resolved it. So I marked it as done, so that way people know I finished it. Yes, I did it. And you can always reopen it. You can always just mark as done, reply, anything you would like to do. And that is how you comment and tag people in your comments on Google Documents. Thank you, and have a nice day.